If there is drought in your area, or you simply don't want your water bill to go higher than it already has in the last year, the first step to keep your plants hydrated is to mulch them with grass clippings. They'll keep the moisture in the soil for longer. If you don't have grass clippings because the grass is just trying to survive and isn't growing, you can use weeds, any plants that you have excess of, such as natives, or plants that stopped producing or bolted, like this lettuce. Just cut them off not to disturb the soil by pulling them, and run over them with a mower. Mulching with plant clippings will also prevent weeds from growing. These pumpkins were mulched 3 weeks ago when planted, and there are no weeds growing. There is one dandelion, but I don't consider it a weed. It will also amend your soil as the clippings start decaying and are eaten by decomposers. These pumpkins are growing on this dry and compacted clay soil in just a few cups of soil and the grass clippings, and they are doing great.